machiegni. Jatend migawo mar omenda John Mbadi ochopo e nyim komiti mar omenda e od bura mar chiwo ler e wi weche mamulo sekta mar omenda ahinya to e wach gope ma Kenya nigo. Mbadi yango ni 63% mar yuto mar Kenya sani dhi e gope, kendo mano keto Kenya kamarach e weche mag tayo chenro mamoko ma pacho ka.
For us to realize the percentage that we want, which is sustainable at 55% or below of debt to GDP in present value terms, the strategy is to consistently reduce the fiscal deficit yearly. And Chair, I want to remind honorable members that in the year 2020-2021, the debt deficit to GDP was at 8.1%. Now that came down in the following year to 6.2%. And then in 2022-2023, it further came down to 5.6%. And then 2023-2024, which I've just referred to, it came down to 5.3%. There was a very ambitious strategy to reduce debt to GDP, deficit to GDP, to about 3.3% in 2024-2025, which, Honorable Chair, you are aware, backfired. Because I think it was extremely ambitious. But then, moving towards having it at 2.7% in 2028-2029 may not be too ambitious. So this 2024-25, we had finally targeted to be at 4.6%, but we have ended up finally, although we are waiting for the final figures, that it may be around 5 to 5.1%. And then this financial year, we have agreed to have the debt to GDP, deficit to GDP at 4.8% max. And I'm sure we will achieve that because